Welcome students. Today I will tell you about section 320, compounding of offences. Offences which can be compounded by the persons mutually without the intervention of the court. जिन केसेस में कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो सकता है उन केसेस को सेक्शन 320 के अंडर दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है। फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में वो ऑफेंसेस आते हैं जिनमें कोई भी कंप्लेनेंट और एक्यूज्ड आपस में कंसेंट से एग्रीमेंट करके कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हैं without the intervention of the court, means without the consent of the court. And other offences which can be compounded by the persons mutually with the consent of the court. और कुछ केसेस ऐसे होते हैं offences जिनमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज सिर्फ कोर्ट की कंसेंट से ही हो सकता है। Compoundable offences are less serious offences. Generally, these offences are non-cognizable offences. The offences where the complainant enters into a compromise and agrees to have the charges dropped against the accused. However, such a compromise should be a bona fide and not for any consideration to which the complainant is not entitled to. Application for compounding the offence shall be made before the same court in which the trial is proceeding. Once an offence has been compounded, it shall have the same effect as if the accused has been acquitted of the charges. Compounding can be done only upon agreeing by the accuser, affected party or victim. In some cases, only affected party's consent is required for compounding. In other crimes, the court's permission is required in addition to victim's consent. Then comes non-compoundable offences. जिन offences में compromise नहीं हो सकता. There are some offences which cannot be compounded. They can only be quashed. These offences are generally cognizable offences. The reason for this is because the nature of offence is so grave and criminal that the accused cannot be allowed to go blameless or innocent. Generally, in these types of cases, it is the state, that is, police, who has filed the case. And hence, the question of complainant entering into compromise does not arise. All those offences which are not mentioned in the list under section 320 are non-compoundable offences. Thank you.